Hello guys, it's Dale here with weekly trading ideas for this week, starting today, the 28th of March 2022. Before I go into the trading ideas, I'd like to announce a winner of a contest we had last time. The prize of the contest was my flexible volume profile indicator for MetaTrader 4 platform. And right now on your screen, you see the name of the person who won in the contest. So congratulations for winning the volume profile. And what I'll do next, I'll do another contest for the next week. The only thing you need to do to participate is just leave a comment below this video that I'll upload on YouTube. And next week, I'll randomly pick one person to win my volume profile indicator. Alright, so that's for the contest. And let's now have a look at the charts. The first trading idea is on the Australian dollar Japanese yen. So what you see before you is the Australian dollar Japanese yen 30-minute chart, and there are two strong supports that I'd like to show you. There is support in here 92.63 and support in here 91.92. So what I did in here was I saw that there was a strong uptrend. So I was looking for significant volume clusters to trade from in this uptrend. Now, let me show you again. This is the volume distribution throughout this whole area, and the closest significant volume area is in here, right? So this tells us that the buyers who are currently pushing the price upwards were adding massively to their longs in this zone, right? So for that reason, I think that when there's a pullback to this zone again, then the buyers from this place will want to become active again, defend their longs, which they placed in here, defend this zone, and push the price upwards from there again. That's why it should work as a strong support, right? Now, regarding the second support, this one is based on those volumes, and I think that in here, buyers who started this strong buying activity were building up their long positions in here, right? So, when there's a pullback, I think that the buyers from this place will want to defend this zone, and they'll want to push the price upwards from there again. Now, the volumes in here are not the only reason why I like this level, but also, if you look how the price reacted to this area in the past, then you can see that there were very nice reactions. Let me show you. In here, in here, in here, and in here. This means that this zone worked as a strong resistance in the past. Now, what happens when a resistance gets breached, like in here, is that the resistance, the strong resistance, becomes a support, right? So because this resistance became a support, this zone is now a strong zone to trade from. So it's not only the volumes in here, but also this price action setup. Alright, so that's for the Australian dollar Japanese yen. There are two strong day trading supports here. Now let's move forward and let's have a look at the Canadian dollar Japanese yen. Now in here there is a very similar scenario because the strong buying activity was clearly driven by the Japanese yen. So again, we have a strong uptrend and we will want to see a significant volume zones within that uptrend. You can also look at it like this, it doesn't really matter. In both cases, it will point you to significant volume zones, this one, and then the next one is this one. Alright, so again, the logic is very similar. There were strong buyers pushing the price aggressively upwards, and those buyers were adding massively to their long positions in here. That means in here, right? And in here, that's in this rotation. So, very similarly as in the previous case, when there's a pullback to 98.60, I expect a reaction from there, from those volumes. And then if there's another pullback to this significant volume cluster, then I expect another reaction from 97.94. Alright, so those are the strong supports on the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. And let me now switch to the last chart, which will be the New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. So what I have in here is also a very similar scenario. Again, strong trend activity driven by the Japanese yen. And in here, there is the most significant volume cluster right there before the start of this really aggressive buying activity, which started just recently. So again, as in the previous cases, I think that strong buyers were building up their longs in here. So you just need to wait for a pullback to this heavy volume zone, which begins at 85.49, and then take it from there. All right. Now, if you guys would like to learn more about trading with volume profile, if you would like to learn all my trading setups, all my secret tips and tricks, and if you would like to trade with me every day, then what I recommend is visiting my website. This is it, trader-dale.com, and the next best step is go to trading course and tools. So you click that, you scroll down a bit, and what I recommend is getting the Elite Pack. The Elite Pack is an educational pack that will teach you everything there is about trading with volume profile. And there is a video which you can watch that will show you everything that's included in the Elite Pack. In short, the Elite Pack includes a video course. It includes my day trading and swing trading levels that you'll be getting each day. It also includes volume profile indicators that I developed, and also a couple of bonuses. Now, at the top of that, it also includes free tech support for Elite Pack members. And what that means is that our tech support team will set up NinjaTrader, a platform for you with all my indicators. They'll load up my trading workspaces, they'll connect you to data feed, and they'll do it completely free of charge, as that's the part of the service that we provide to the Elite Pack members. Alright, so that's about it. That's about the Elite Pack, and that's also about this video. I hope you guys liked it, I hope you found it useful, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video or in our members area. And until then, happy trading!